How's it going? It's Jared Collinson from Flight Performance and Fitness in Newton, Massachusetts, and today I'm coming to you with day 2 of our 5-day form fix on the squat. Dylan's going to get set up here in a squat position. I'm just going to go over a couple positions that people get into as they're about to go down into their squat that get them into a little bit of trouble. The first one is this overflex position. He's in a lumbar extension position. He's got no core tension, so as he descends down into a squat, he can't really load his hips. He's got a lot of that weight sitting right there in his lower back. All right? And that second position is going to be that over tuck position where his hips are under, he's real stacked, the bar's right up over his heels. So for Dylan to descend down into a squat, he has to unlock his hips and shift that weight forward to be able to find that balance to drop down into a squat. So our fix here is just going to be for him to slightly flex his hips back here. All right, now that bar is lined up right over the middle of his foot, so as he descends down into that squat, the bar doesn't shift forward and back. He doesn't get any weight shift. He can optimally load his legs and drop straight down and come right back up. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you stay posted on our form fix day 3.